Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we're gonna spice up your life with baked sweet potatoes and chili con carne. First we're gonna start off with the sweet potatoes. We're gonna stab them. And then wrap them up in foil. I'm going to place these in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Alright, so I'm starting off with the chili con carne and I'm just browning off the beef mince. Okay, this is ready now. I'm just going to tip this on the plate. I have 1 red onion. Now I'm going to chuck in 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Now we're going to chuck in 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Okay, I'm going to throw in the minced beef back into the pan. So next up we have 500 grams of salsa. Hot salsa. Hot salsa. Okay, lastly we have a can of red kidney beans. And gently mix that in. The sweet potato is now cooked. Now we're going to plate it up. And here is the baked sweet potato with chili con carne, and with a side of salad topped with avocado and sour cream. We hope this episode was spicy enough for you, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button while you're there. We'll see you next time. And I'm going to put these in the oven on 200 degrees. And I'm going to place these in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to chuck in 2 cloves. Now I'm going to chuck in 2 cloves. I'm going to chuck in 2 tablespoons of...
Teaspoons.
Now we're going to chuck in 2 tablespoons of... Now we're going to chuck in 2 teaspoons of